Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the advantages of using email. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. The content of our video for today, I would like to acknowledge TechTarget for providing us this content. Advantages of using email. Number 1, cost effective. Email is free to use to everyone. Number 2, easy access. Email can be accessed from anywhere, anytime. Number 3, flexible. Messages can be accessed at the recipient's convenience. Number 4, speed. Email can be composed and sent quickly within minimal lag. Number 5, mass delivery. An email can be sent to multiple recipients simultaneously. Number 6, message filtering. Users can filter and categorize their emails. And lastly, number 7, message storage. Email messages can be saved for retrieval. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the advantages of using email as a medium of communication. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.